Pretty lit hall. We have the room right here. No gap, that's just a darker color. We come into the room, 1759. It says a minimum rate of 300. I wonder if they have any sales that make it lower. I've never really seen the minimum rate. But in this corridor right here, we have a little bit of space, good amount of space. And then we have the closet right here. Irons in here, luggage rack. And then we keep on turning. And then we have a mirror right here. And this takes us to the bathroom. Pretty bright, not too many lights on the ceiling. I guess we have a Pure or a Beckman for the amenities. Behind here, we do have the rack. We have a hair dryer down there. Frosted glass door for the shower. You have to step up for the shower. There's a little, I don't know, where you put your foot up there or something. Kind of narrow. We have one head right there. Shampoos and stuff, bar soap. And then I guess you can kind of do a night light right here. Bath. The night light somewhere. We come on walking and then we come into the room right here. A good amount of space right here, but no other big amount of space. TV, mini fridge, nice big bed in the center. We have like a burgundy style art stuff up there. Night side table. We have more light controls and temp controls right there. That's interesting. Let's see. I'm gonna try to click it real quick. I wonder if it's gonna. Yeah, it does turn this. It does react to this and turn it on. So that's actually really cool. We have a little desk and a little love seat. It's not a sleeper. There's not enough room for that. Lights over there. A little bit of art. We are like on the 17th floor. I'm right above the lobby area right down there. Not really sure what that might be. Actually, I think that might be the lounge. I'll have to check that out in a bit. Yeah, this is the room. Nice big bed. I like the love seat. Yeah.